Customer acquisition tips that help you grow your business. Customer acquisition encompasses all the strategies your company uses to attract and enroll new customers. Often, it is the one thing that garners the most energy and budgets within a growing and successful company. It is, however, a vast topic, and many companies use some tactics but not others. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. Very often, companies in their first few years of business start off with small hands-on marketing strategies that don't necessarily scale. After 3-5 years or more, the system breaks because it no longer fits a company that wants to grow and scale. Our online marketing mastery formula, or OMMF, has been used with hundreds of clients to scale their leads and income. This blueprint includes all the strategies we use for our own company and for our clients to create what we like to call client acquisition machine. It creates a scenario where you can rely on consistent cash flow generation from your marketing activities. Without a roadmap to follow, companies can spend years trying to understand what will work. By using our blueprint, you will understand which efforts will generate predictable income for your business. Here are the pillars of the customer acquisition that are the core of our OMMF. Each pillar of the online marketing mastery formula is covered. No need of anything else to create your automated client acquisition machine. Monitoring. Before you begin anything, you need to set up monitoring tools to understand where you're improving. Monitoring is key to improving your overall performance. What cannot be measured cannot be improved. PPC, pay-per-click ads on social and search engines give you the opportunity to test your website and your messaging. It also brings you leads right away while you work on the long-term stuff. It's also important to look at your website and understand if this is an old school brochure site that is not working anymore in the 21st century. Or is it a proper marketing tool equipped to capture leads smartly and efficiently? Strategy for never-ending growth. Create your recurring system that makes sure your business grows continuously. Are you regularly producing quality content and placing it on your website as well as social media platforms? Content is a vast topic. It's hard to know where to start by yourself. Our blueprint helps you plan quality content that will boost your growth and cash flow. PR and social media. PR and social media are important but can also become time-consuming and expensive. Using the right strategy will make sure that the time and money invested will be paid back by the additional sales produced. The key is to use the same content several times. Lead generation tools and strategies. How good are your lead generation tools? Websites are dead. You need to create marketing and sales funnels. Visitors must be channeled into the sales page that will provide some free information and collect the prospect's details and automatize the marketing to transform this prospect into a lead. or better yet, depending on your industry, fully automatically into a client. Our framework helps you understand what should be improved and what priority it should take. Review and fine-tune. Reviewing and fine-tuning is key to multiplying your results. This is why we begin with monitoring. Now you can already see the outcome of your first changes in your monitoring. You can now stop what does not work and double, triple what works. This is the key to scaling your business. By monitoring the correct data, not your likes and followers, and understand how to improve the performance, you will soon start seeing your leads and company growing. This is how you can start to create your constant cash flow using this formula we call confident cash flow. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at what is customer acquisition funnel. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.